Ever wondered how those hidden onion websites work? Let me show you how to build your own onion server, host your website, and even make money, while staying anonymous on the Tor network. First up, you'll need a server. This can be a spare laptop or a cheap VPS. Install a Linux distro, like Ubuntu. Update it, then grab Apache or Nginx as your web server software. Next, install Tor. On Ubuntu, it's as easy as sudo apt install Tor. Now it's time to turn your site into an onion address. Open the Tor config file, usually found at /etc/tor/torque. Add these two lines, hidden service dir /var/lib/tor/hidden_service/ and hidden service port 8127.0.0.180. Restart Tor and boom, Tor generates a onion URL for you in that directory. That's your site's new address, accessible only via Tor browser. To host your site, just drop your HTML files into your web server's root directory. Test it out. Visit your .onion URL in Tor browser. If it loads, you're golden. Now let's talk cash. The most popular way to earn anonymously is with cryptocurrency donations. Set up a wallet, post your address or QR code on your site, and ask for support. If you're feeling extra ambitious, you can sell digital goods, offer consulting, or run private forums. Just make sure everything's legal and ethical. So that's the basics of running your own .onion server, hosting a website, and making money on Tor. It's not rocket science, just a few steps and a bit of curiosity. Stay safe, stay curious, and remember, use your powers for good.